So I want to start off by just letting you know a wee bit about land-based engineering and why I work in it. So firstly, I want to introduce myself. So my name's Nancy Bryson, and I'm the Managing Director of Bryson Tractors, who are an agricultural dealership based in Lanark in central Scotland. So Bryson Tractors was started from nothing back in 2002 with a workforce of probably 5. And we've built up to probably a workforce of more than 18 of us now and a turnover of more than 6 million. So I want to start by explaining what we actually do. So what is an actual agricultural dealership? We have a franchise for selling tractors for a major manufacturer, so it's much the same as a main car dealership would have a car franchise. We also represent lots of other machinery manufacturers stocking and selling a huge variety of equipment which perform lots of different jobs within the industry. In total, we probably actively promote products from more than about 20 different manufacturers. And to look after these products, we have sales, parts and service departments. Our sales team, who advise customers on the most suitable product for their requirements, and they are based between our depot, but they also visit customers to help them make decisions on the right machine for the job that they're trying to do. Our parts department are selling spare parts for the machines that we sell, but they also advise on the most suitable part for the job that our customer is actually trying to do. And the service department are responsible for repairing, servicing and doing maintenance on the machines that we sell, and also preparing the new machines that have already been sold to customers. But it's not just for farmers, because it's often thought that the land-based sector is purely for farming. So as you saw on Jim's video there, there's a big variety. So whether it's farming the land for crops and animals, or farming water for fishing, or even improving the environment through organic and sustainable farming, it's not just farming that we're involved in. The sector is so much bigger than that, and it's probably one of the most technologically advanced industries in the world. We have GPS guided machines that not only track where the machine is, some of the most fuel efficient methods to complete the job as well. They also have sensors to monitor the quality of the crop that it is harvesting. We even have autonomous tractors already working out in fields. Methane powered tractors are now getting into full production, where the methane is used to power the tractor. That is produced as a byproduct of the farm that it's working on, and that helps towards actually a carbon negative operation. And we even have robot mowers for cutting grass, and basically the list of technologies is increasing all of the time. So as I said, we work in lots of different areas. We're based in central Scotland, but like much of Scotland and the rest of the UK, there's a diverse range of farming, and I wanted to share with you the huge variety of fields that we work in, and also the diversity of the work that we actually do. As we all travel around the country, we like to see the countryside nice and clean and tidy. So we provide tractors and specialist machines for cutting grass verges, and also for hedge cutting in the summer. Many motorway verges and bankings are now cut by robot mowers, which enables the grass on the steeper bankings to be cut safely. And in the winter, we like our roads to be clear so that we can travel around. So we also provide machines for snow clearing and gritting, because often the tractors can access roads where the council gritters just wouldn't get to. Many of us enjoy parks and open spaces, whether we live in the city, the town, or out in the country. We enjoy these spaces, and especially this year, because we've all been shut in. But so also on your doorstep, we have large industrial sites, and even airports, and they all have green spaces, which all need to be maintained, and the grass cutting is a huge part of this. So we supply all shapes and sizes of grass cutting mowers and tractors for this as well. As you've already seen up in Forfar, there's many golf courses, and with Scotland being the home of the golf throughout the country, we have a huge number of them, from private courses to local authority run courses, and even flagship courses like St Andrews. Even Mr Trumpsky's golf courses in Scotland. So the fairways and greens need specialist equipment to keep them playable all year round. And with our fine Scottish weather like we have in Lanark here today, it is a full-time job for the country's greenkeepers to keep these courses in a tip-top condition. The range of machinery on golf courses is very specialised, and to keep the courses maintained, there's things like mowers, rollers, and huge variations of different aeration equipment. So whatever your sport, whether it's tennis, rugby or football, you need a pitch to play on. So whether it's a grass pitch or an artificial 3G or a 4G pitch, it still needs to be maintained. Like golf courses, the pitches need to be playable all year round, no matter what the weather is. So the equipment is needed for grass cutting, aeration, pitch grooming, litter picking, leaf collection, and even line painting as well. So again, a huge variety of equipment for pitch maintenance. Horse racing and equestrian pursuits are a huge industry throughout the whole of the UK, and there's a huge variety of different facilities to complement the activities that go on, from stables to training tracks, indoor and outdoor eventing facilities, paddocks, menage, and even race courses as well. So we supply tractors and the equipment for the maintenance for all of these. So again, there's mowers for grass cutting, rollers for flattening them out, levelers and rakes and things for menage surfaces as well. And the construction sector, which is huge, with machinery being used for lots and lots of different things. Within the UK, we've had some huge infrastructure projects ongoing all the year through, and in recent years we've had the construction of the likes of the Queensferry Crossing, the Aberdeen Bypass, and huge upgrades to around the central belt with upgrades to the M8, and obviously down south HS2 is always on the news, so a huge major construction undertaking. And all of these developments need machines, whether it's for actual excavations and digging, or moving machines, hauling materials around sites. We can supply machines for all of these. So it can be excavators, telehandlers, tractors and trailers, just whatever's needed. Smaller projects closer to home can include house building and house extensions, drainage out in farms, shed building, road repairs, maintenance, work within quarries, landscaping companies, and even grave digging. So we supply machines really for all of these different uses. And yes, even a whisky industry needs a tractor or two, whether it's for the yard maintenance or for trailers to move the barrels around. We can help them out with whatever we need. So as you can see, there is an enormous variety of work that we do, and a huge variety of customers, with a big range of machines that we can sell and look after. And this offers a fantastic variety for each of our working days. No 2 day is ever the same. One day we can be out on a farm, the next maybe on a golf course, and then head off to some horse stables. You could be maintaining machines out at a Premiership football ground, or fixing a tractor out on a race course. And we've even serviced tractors for a Love Island contestant, so all sorts. So what opportunities is there? As I've already explained, we have 3 main areas within our dealership. The sales department offers a fantastic opportunity for enthusiastic, machinery-minded individuals, and we provide first-class manufacturer training on the products that we represent. And often this training can take place at the factories all over the world, building up your knowledge directly from the actual production facilities by able to go and actually see the machines being built. So you can see them being built directly from scratch, right from start to finish. Customer service and sales and selling skills training are also provided to help develop the skills to help our customers in their decision making for whatever they're looking for. As I've already explained, many of the industries we work in are very specialised, so the equipment and the technologies that they're using have become more and more advanced. So we need very highly trained individuals who are keen to learn about these actual products. So the sales department within a dealership is perfect for someone who is a people person. They need to have excellent computer skills and be enthusiastic about the machinery and obviously willing to learn. Yeah, and you'll need a passport to get in all those overseas trips as well. The key skills we look for are English, maths and computer skills, but personal qualities are probably just as important, as an individual needs to have excellent organisational skills and be able to work really in their own initiative as well. Then we have our parts department. So you can see my lovely shop here. And the parts department take orders directly from customers, but also from our service department as well. And they deal directly with the manufacturers to place orders and to manage all of the stock that comes into us and for going out as well. So they control the stock levels that we keep in our warehouse at any time. And with the highly sophisticated machines that we sell and the diverse range of customers we deal with, the parts department also have to advise customers on often how to solve the problems with the machine and the best solution for that problem. We have a fully stocked shop, as you can see, full of hand tools for all industries. We have workwear, PPE, gloves and boots. We have consumables like nuts and bolts. We also sell electrical items like lighting for machines, CBs and aerials, compressors, pressure washers, general things that are needed. We, at this time of year, we even have a toy department to help Santa with his shopping. So no 2 days are ever the same in the parts department. Helping the service department identify the parts for a gearbox, to advising customers on which bearings to use, or even helping Santa choose the best gifts for Christmas. So within the parts department, we offer an apprenticeship where you learn while you work. So you would attend college on a block release. And the learning while you work gives you the best of both worlds, because you're actually learning about the job on a day-to-day basis and then developing your skills at college. The parts advisors need to be willing to learn and be very computer literate, as they have numerous systems for ordering and inquiries as well. And customer service skills obviously need to be second to none. And the key skills we're looking for are really English, maths and computing skills as well. So finally, our service department, and within the service department, the service staff maintain and repair all of the machines that we sell. So you can be preparing a £100,000 tractor one day and maybe replacing the chains in a dung spreader the next, maybe setting the guidance system on a £300,000 combine, or repairing a tractor at a Premiership football club. I mean, the variety of work's enormous. Our service technicians receive fantastic training, and many join us on school work experience programmes through our local schools, and we offer manufacturers apprenticeships where, similar to our parts department, you work while you learn. Learning about the machines and the job while you develop your skills further at college, and the manufacturer apprenticeship means that you're learning about the actual machines that you're going to be selling, that we sell through here, and you have the most up-to-date machinery to work on. You would achieve your apprenticeship over 4 years to become a first level technician, and then have the option to progress on through professional level training to becoming a master technician. And much of the training is done through factories throughout the world, which offers a key insight into the production of the actual machines that you're going to be repairing and maintaining. Again, the key requirements are English, maths and computing skills, and generally we would look for a science as well, but it's not a requirement. And some apprentices actually come to us from college, having completed a full-time course where they're looking to develop their practical skills and complete the next level of their apprenticeship. So you need to be an excellent communicator, be technically minded, and be able to work off your own initiative. So in summary, we work in one of the most technologically advanced industries where no 2 days are ever the same. The skills needed in our industry are increasing year on year, and the opportunities for career progression are fantastic. Joining this sector is an amazing opportunity for someone who wants to learn, and we have a varied workday which is rewarding both professionally and personally as well. We've got a fantastic range of customers who love their work, and often their work is their life, and they truly appreciate the work that we do. And I've made many lifelong friends working within this industry. So thank you for listening.